This is the A2500i, part of our Ascent range of Vitamix machines. The A2500i comes with our interlock lid technology, which means if you remove the lid, your blender won't start, so it's a great safety feature. Our two-part lid also comes with little pouring spouts, so if you're adding some superfoods to your smoothies or something else to your cocktails, it's a great addition to our machine. Also comes with a full-size 2-litre container, laser-cut hardened stainless steel blades, and a variable speed dial, which means you can control the consistency of your blends. Whether you want a chunky salsa or increase to higher speeds, you can have an ultra-fine puree. We have pulse functionality, so if you want a burst of power, you can use this to chop ingredients or knead to make bread dough. And we have a manual timer, which means you'll never over or under process your blends. The A2500i also comes with 3 pre-programmed settings: smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup. This gives you complete walkaway convenience with your blender. Simply load your container with fruit, set to smoothie, and in 50 seconds your drink will be ready and your machine will have turned itself off. We also have a tamper stick, perfect for making frozen desserts, and a fantastic cookbook packed full of recipes and ideas. The A2500i also comes with our self-detect technology, which makes it compatible with our family of optional accessories. All backed up with a full 10-year warranty. This is the A2500i.